I'm John Laramie. I'm the founder and CEO of ADstruc. Yeah, so ADstruc is an out-of-home planning and buying workflow solution for the outdoor industry. We really focus on creating a seamless experience for media buying agencies to plan and buy in one central interface. So the out-of-home industry has been traditionally bought through Excel and PDF media kits and PowerPoint presentations. It's going through a big evolution right now and moving more towards technology and how automating some of those tasks enables media buying teams to focus more on the actual media buy itself and the delivery of more value to the clients. So let's talk about kind of the data that's there today. Historically, the data in the out-of-home industry has been what's used under DEC, daily effective circulation, which for all effective means is just counting cars. It's transitioned more to eyes on, which is kind of audience-based metrics around an actual asset of out-of-home inventory. We think the future of out-of-home as it relates to data is really structured around marrying offline and online data. So you can look at mobile, you can look at social as great data streams that have context by location. So we have a tool called ADstruc Social that tracks real-time conversations on Twitter that are geotagged within proximity of a client's advertisement. And so what we think is interesting about that is for a client, they can now start to understand what's happening in real time around their actual ads. And using mobile or using social, they have a tool in which they can communicate directly with that client. And so we think the best out-of-home starts a conversation and builds a relationship. And mobile and social are tools that enable advertisers or agencies to be able to communicate with their customers and build that relationship. There's been, you have the obvious groundbreaking ones like the water producing billboard. There was one recently I just saw where Chucky was hiding in a bus shelter and came busting out of the bus shelter, and people were terrified. And so watching these people run away was hysterical. Swatting at them with their purses. I love that kind of stuff. I think that's a great way to show the experience that can be built around an out-of-home ad. We did something recently with Kind Bar and Lamar Outdoor. We actually put up ads in Chicago that were advertising Kind Bar, the snack company. And we were actually tracking people talking about the brand, but we were also enabling the delivery of mobile ads to consumers as they walk by that brand. So marrying, again, offline and online, and actually creating a data layer to understand the effectiveness or the reach of that specific campaign. We're really excited to announce that Rapport, IPG's out-of-home media and buying agency, has signed on to use our system to become their operating tool for planning and buying out-of-home. In addition, we're also excited that IPG, Rapport's parent company, has invested in us. And the basis of that investment in this partnership is really about delivering value and increasing the value that the clients of Rapport are receiving when buying out of home. And when you think about media buying teams today, they came into existence to offset the workload and be more intelligent in a particular media to plan and buy it. And with respects to out-of-home, that has gotten lost in the workflow of PDF and Excel and the piles of paper that they've dealt in planning and buying out-of-home. And so our system's able to come in and offset that workload, automate it, and enable the media teams to really focus on the deliverables around the campaign and focusing on servicing the client and increasing the value they receive when they buy out-of-home. And so we're particularly excited about what it means for the industry. It sets a tone for other agencies to get caught up to speed, and it makes Rapport sit at the forefront of technology and planning and buying workflow tools.